Hello viewer, here's the deal. A passionate explanation on how relationships work. My satisfaction is value of your time to watch to the end, although there's more than one type of database out there. Graph databases like Neo4j, object databases like RAM and ObjectivityDB, document databases like CouchDB, MongoDB, and more. But by far, the most common is the Relational Database, which is named for the way it organizes data into relations or tables of related data. In a relational database, tables are made up of rows which represent instances of a given entity and columns which represent attributes of each entity. This set of columns is called a relation. Let's explore what that actually means. Let's say we have a restaurant and we have a table in a database that keeps track of a list of customers. Here, customers are the entity. We are talking about different customers, but they all share the condition of being a customer. And each individual customer is an instance of a customer. This one is different from this one, who is different from that one, but they all share in being customers. As customers, they also share certain attributes or things that describe them in particular. They all have names, for example, and email addresses and phone numbers. But their individual names, emails, and phone numbers are different from each of the others, even though they share these attributes in common. If we have another listing of dishes offered by the restaurant, dishes are the entity. Each dish is an instance, and each dish has particular attributes like a name, a price, a description, and so on. These dishes and customers are kept in separate tables in the database because they are separate entities. Dishes don't have phone numbers, and people don't have prices. So a relational database is made up of relations or tables, which are a set of columns. And these tables also contain rows representing different instances. Every column or piece of information about the individual instances will have a type that we define to tell the database what sort of information it contains. That might be a number or a string of text. It could be a date or true or false value, or even a chunk of binary data that represents a file. All the values in a specific column will be the same kind of information, though the individual values will vary. In this movie, you have seen the general properties of a relational database, and I will get into details in the near future. Thanks for watching. Bye.